Simplify each expression. Assume all variables are positive. So we have the third root of 250, which is 2 times 125, which is 5 times 5 times 5. And then I have 6 x's, 9 y's, and 15 z's. The index 3 indicates that I need to find a base multiplied to itself 3 times. 5 is multiplied to itself 3 times. 2 is not. Here are a couple x's and y's and a whole bunch of z's that are multiplied to themselves 3 times. So when I take this out, I take it out as a 5 and an x and another x, and then 3 y's, and then 5 z's, but left inside the radical is a 2. So we write this answer, 5x squared, y to the third, z to the fifth, times the cubed root of 2. And if you leave out the index, I will have to take off some points because it has to be the cubed root of 2, not the square root. Looking at another example where we have an even index. An even index is very different than an odd index. An odd index, I always say, is okay. If it's odd, it's okay. Take out negatives, have negatives, it doesn't much matter. But with an even index, you must guarantee that the answer is positive, and we're already allowed to assume that. But you also must make sure that the radicand is even. And if the radicand is not greater than 0, if it's not an even number, it's going to be impossible to do. Because I know that 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. But negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 is not negative 16, it's still positive 16. So this it's a non-real number. And in a few more sections, we'll figure out what those numbers are.